All the northeastern states will converge at the 3-day 6th edition of Northeast Green Summit to be held in Silchar from the 16 to 18 November 2021. This was disclosed by Member of Parliament Silchar Dr. Rajdeep Roy after inaugurating the Secretariat of the Northeast Green Summit held at Don Bosco Technical School in Silchar, Assam yesterday. The summit is an outcome of collaborative efforts of Vibgir Northeast Foundation, National Institute of Technology Silchar, Don Bosco Technical School Silchar and Department of Commerce and Industries Assam. The summit will deliberate extensively on green recovery as the key to ensure a sustainable and resilient return to growth and development after COVID-19. The Northeast Summit aims to celebrate the rich and diverse natural and cultural heritage of Northeast India, showcase their interlinkages and focus on the need for an integrated approach for sustaining this heritage. The summit also strives towards preserving, maximizing and developing the potential of the unique biodiversity zone of Northeast India through various awareness programs highlighting, amongst other things, various sustainable livelihood options associated with skills. The mission of the summit is to provide a platform for academicians, research scholars, industry leaders, policy makers, student organizations, civil society representatives, media persons and NGOs to deliberate and design effective solutions for key environmental challenges being faced in Northeast India. The focus areas are on disaster management, international value chain development for agriculture, horticulture and medicinal plants, sustainable development goals, green skills, sustainable technology, bio-entrepreneurship, bioeconomy, energy and habitat for future, harnessing the economic potential of eco-services, herbal tourism, eco-tourism, cultural tourism and ethnic tourism. Besides the various academic sessions, cultural programs will also be organizing at Don Bosco School, Silchar, Assam. Over 250 cyclists will take part in the cycling-a-thon that will pass through the 16 kilometers main thoroughfares of the Silchar town to herald the advent of the Mega Green Summit and to make the people aware of the need to have a greener earth. The main venue for the summit will be held at the National Institute of Technology, Silchar, Assam, adorned with lush forest cover and rich biodiversity. In this 6th edition of Northeast Green Summit, it is expected that over 5,000 participants and more than 50 speakers will participate in the 3-day deliberation spread over 20 sessions and sub-session. Speaking on the occasion, the director of Don Bosco Youth Centre, Shillong, who is also the prime mover of Don Bosco Media Network, Shillong, a media partner of the Green Summit 2021, assured the meeting that all efforts will be made to provide media coverage of the entire proceedings of the summit, not only in the region but globally through the Don Bosco A&S and Boscom South Asia of the Salesian Congregation. Member of Assam Legislative Assembly, Mr. Dipayan Chakraborty, who represents Silchar, was present at the meeting and assured all support to make the summit a grand success. Brother Reggie Joseph of Don Bosco Technical School, Silchar, Assam, informed the meeting that all the cultural programs will be held in the new campus of Don Bosco School, Silchar, as there is enough space available with adequate facilities. Speaking after the inauguration of the Secretariat for the Summit, Member of Parliament Silchar at Don Bosco Technical School, Silchar, Dr. Rajdeep Roy, informed that besides the Union Minister of the State, Ministry of External Affairs and Education, Dr. Rajkumar Ranjan Singh, all the forest ministers of the northeastern state have been invited to take part in the summit.
2 or 3 things which I feel that we can share at this level, and then I will hand over the mic to you to bring across, to put forward your thoughts on the whole thing, anything that you face and anything which you have come up with which you need to share with the core team here. But prior to that, we are glad that Silchar is going to be the place where at least about 6 forest ministers of all the northeastern states are going to converge on the 18th, and on that particular day there is going to be also a forest ministers roundtable of all the northeastern states, which is going to be held here, and I am sure very, very vital things are coming out and are going to emerge from both the forest ministers roundtable and also the valedictory session. So these are 2 things which I think are very important, and we have already got the confirmations from at least 6 forest ministers of the northeastern states. At the same time,
tell them what are the benefits of this program. and what are the scientific reasons behind it. So in this respect, we, for the next 3 days, from 16th to 18th of November this year, we are organizing this, and we will have a varied group of people, coming from political background, academic background, non-academic background, art, music, folk things. So they will come and they will spend their 3 days with us. We will have an interesting array of people who will be here with us. Most interestingly, you can interact with them if you are interested in anything. Say maybe someone is interested in art, someone is interested in music. We are getting 2 groups also to come and perform. So other than academics in the morning part, you will have a non-academic semi-entertainment session in the evening part also. And obviously the food and everything will be a part. What we are intending to do this by organizing a program like this today morning is that we get to know each other. There is some sort of an interaction. If you have any issues regarding your responsibility, you can ask any one of us. And I will actually thank primarily Shankhadeep Chaudhary to bring this program to Silchar, because I have been going to IITs twice and other places. I was always thinking, why not Silchar? So thanks to him that he has decided, and all of us sat together and we decided that we bring it to Silchar. Coming to Silchar, obviously we need a partner who's stamped with seal of authority, and NIT is our best option. And I also thank our Don Bosco management. Everybody is here, starting from our brother Reggie.
Running local cables or somewhere here within Silchar, we can collaborate with them and then feed into their system also. In case if they don't have reporters, in case if they don't have enough content to push in the local channels, we will be there to give the content.
The important commitment to the green movement. And then through 141 countries, all our schools, we are going to take part in the green movement. And then we are going to engage all the students all over the world in greening the world. And that's our commitment. Like I said, that's why our school also should be involved in it, so that students will get what the importance of planting trees, preserving the environment, and etc. So in that way, I'm sure that the parents and all those who are associated with our school also will benefit, and indirectly the Paraguay also will be benefited. Then coming back to the bride, sir, you are the MP of our constituency, and we have got the MLA of our constituency, and you are part of our family. And then I'm sure that we all are excited about this Green Summit, and we want to make it the best Green Summit ever. For that one, whatever support that we require in this movement, I'm sure that you'll be there with our team, and our team is going to give their 100% to make it a success. So that collaboration that you are expecting, that support that you are expecting, we are going to give to you that. And then we expect a corresponding kind of a response from your end, so that we can show it as one of the best programs ever. And the Paraguay should shine. I'm sure that Paraguay should shine, and the maximum number of people, those who have no idea about Paraguay, they should be invited, and they should also see what is happening on the. That's my opinion.